Roofing Madison Heights is essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. Whether you need shingle replacement or gutter installation, our expert roofing contractors Madison Heights are here to help. Madison Heights Roof Repair Services ensure your roof is in top condition, protecting your home from the elements. Madison Heights roof maintenance is crucial for extending the lifespan of your roof. Regular roof inspections can identify potential issues before they become major problems. Our Madison Heights roof inspection services provide peace of mind, knowing your roof is well maintained and secure. For those in need of roof installation, Madison Heights offers a variety of options, including flat roofing and metal roofing. Our Madison Heights roofing contractors. Madison Heights expertise in both traditional asphalt shingles and modern metal roofing solutions. Choose the best roofing material for your home with our expert guidance. Leak repair in Madison Heights is a common service, especially after severe weather. Our Madison Heights leak repair team is skilled in identifying and fixing leaks quickly and efficiently. Protect your home from water damage with our reliable leak repair services. Roof restoration in Madison Heights can breathe new life into your aging roof. Our Madison Heights roof restoration services include roof cleaning, roof coating, and roof sealing. Enhance the appearance and functionality of your roof with our comprehensive restoration solutions. Emergency roofing services in Madison Heights are available for urgent situations. Whether it's storm damage, hail damage, or wind damage, our Madison Heights emergency roofing team is ready to respond. Trust us to handle your roofing emergencies with speed and professionalism. Roof waterproofing in Madison Heights is essential for preventing water infiltration. Our Madison Heights roof waterproofing services include roof flashing and roof sealing to keep your home dry and protected. Invest in roof waterproofing to safeguard your property from water damage. Roof ventilation in Madison Heights is important for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Proper roof ventilation can reduce energy costs and extend the life of your roof. Our roofing contractors, Madison Heights ventilation experts, can assess and improve your roof's ventilation system. Roof upgrades in Madison Heights can enhance your home's value and curb appeal. Whether you're considering a roof replacement or new roof flashing, our Madison Heights roof upgrades team can help. Explore the latest roofing trends and technologies with our expert advice.